Hey guys, welcome to HealthNow TV, and this is unboxing and review of Omron digital thermometer with model number MC-343F. This digital thermometer had features mentioned on the box which says, it has 10 seconds fast read, professional accuracy, last reading recall, measurement in both degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, and measurement accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius. The box contains a user manual, and thermometer with its hard case. Thermometer has only a single button on front with a display, and some technical details on the back side. When the on-off button is pressed, first reading shown is the previous measurement reading. After this, temperature of 37 degrees will be shown, which is the default, and it means that the thermometer is working properly. User manual mentions some features like long pressing the power button will change the measurement scale from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. Indicator label L on the display means that the temperature is less than 32 degrees Celsius, and H means that the temperature is more than 42 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature measurement ranges from 32 to 42 degrees Celsius, as this thermometer is meant for human use only and not for any other type of temperature measurement. Right now, I am just measuring temperature of my hand. Measured temperature of my hand is shown when there is ring of 3 buzzers. Battery compartment can be opened by rotating the cover, and it runs on a 1.5 volts button battery. The reading on the thermometer will be shown when there is ring of the buzzer. Buzzer notification timing of temperature measurement is approximately 20 seconds for oral, 10 seconds for rectal, and 25 seconds for underarm measurement. But for complete measurements of underarm temperature, time required is 2 to 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to HealthNow TV, and press the bell icon to stay up to date with all latest updates from this channel.